They got no clue who the fuck they're messing with. Took the only thing I ever gave a shit about. Now I got nothing left to lose. I'm going all in on this suicide run. And every last bastard that crosses me, they're gonna feel my hate till their last breath. They got no clue who the fuck they're messing with. Took the only thing I ever gave a shit about. Now I got nothing left to lose. I'm going all in on this suicide run. And every last bastard that crosses me, they're gonna feel my hate till their last breath.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. I've been crazy today, all day, just to refactor this code. This got me crazy a lot. I got all commented to because this combat system got so big that I needed to refactor because I was getting a lot of bugs and in the main system of the gameplay, so that was very bad. But now I'm getting what I wanted. I can counter attack and attack again. Alright, I can finish. Alright, everything working well. So the guys must not attack me yet. Alright, they will be orbiting me and change the direction randomly from, I guess, about 5 or 7 seconds. I put it randomly. Alright, everybody orbiting me. and I need to fix this thing. The guys start to attack me one and another, and that's not cool, man. I need to paste this thing right. That's not nice, but everything's going well with the animations and counterattacks, right? The finishers, they don't attack us when we are finishing. Yeah. Alright, that's nice. So I need to see what is happening. Let me take this out. Let me put another one here. Sorry. Montage handlers. Alright, I have this code here that deals with the AI. Where is it? AI. And this is the part of the code that I am doing the combat logic. When the player turns to AI, if you are controlling the player, you are the player, but if you are not controlling, I can simply make another NPC, just putting it here and not possessing it. Just let me unpossess it, and in the tag I just put enemy. Alright, that must be it. So now I have that girl. There is a, I need to put her on the combat state here on the AI component. Let me change it to combat. Let me take the enemy. I'll be her enemy, and also I'm gonna search for the engage combat. Where is it? Engage. It's already engaged. Nice. So now the player, oh, she just teleported these things off the game animation sample. You can see everything works right easily. Everything respects its own structure. The player class is the same class that deals with the NPC. I just need now to work with this behavior. Everybody attacking me without waiting sometimes. And now we can see that they don't attack me, and this girl is not doing it right because I need this magic number range of 200. Alright, let me, where is she? Oh wait, let me put it since here. Alright, now it's gonna work. Very strange, this is not supposed to happen, but we'll fix it right now. Right now she's orbiting. I'm sorry, orbiting, that's the right words. I'm sorry for my bad English. Now everybody's orbiting me. I use AI a lot, you know, so I will just copy it and I will put it here. I know that I have this update combat behavior, and here is just some validations. If I don't have enemy disengage, Mhm. If I don't have a target, if I don't have a target, oh yeah, I find closest enemy. I try to make the target. Even if I still don't have it, I disengage. But if I have it, I set as the, of course I'm talking the AI component. I'm talking about the AI component. So when I have a target, when target is dead, we disengage. Alright. So I have my location, target location, the distance. Look at target location and my location, rotation. Select the rotation. Nice. Here's the decision. Let me put it in English. Combat decision. Combat decision making. Out of range. Move towards target. Nice. If he is out of range, he would just moves. This is happening. If he is in range, can attack. Alright. So this is simple, but if I cannot attack, I orbit. Alright, so this orbit is X direction. I'm doing this live to show you what I do with the code, but the hard work, the really hard work I do all alone, you know, is my way to focus and stuff. With you here, I'm just mostly showing what I did in the day, what I solved, and trying to do some little things, easier stuff with you here, because it's easier for me to think without recording and stuff, you know. It's just my way to exist. So let's go. Can attack target. What is the condition for attack the target? If I don't have a target, I return. Can be attacked by. Find closest enemy. So when I have this, while I am inside this orbit, do I call any other? Alright, this update combat behavior actually is being called in the tick function. Update combat behavior. So he will be calling this always. So I need to see if he can attack the target. So let's think. Can attack the target. I look for the yeah, I can attack targets. Let me see this function. What is the conditionals? Can be attacked by. Let me see this one. Return current attacked. Okay, let me ask something. Let me ask something here. When I'm surrounded by NPCs orbiting, after I killed the first one, no one attacks me. Only when I'm counter attacking, suddenly other NPCs starts to hit me. Why? So actually I already seen this combat logic, and he already knows my combat, so let me ask only this, because you can see they only starts to hit me in this. But if I put back in the counter attacks my current and attack, if I put this on the really on the end, I just pushed this here to make a test. But as I'm using these 3 animations, let me try to put this end attack on the end, really on the end, to see what happens. If the behavior, nah, really I can't attack if this isn't. I counterattack suddenly when I stop being attacked the other attacks. So let's put it back to here, put it back here, and put it back here. So the girl do not attack me if I am attacking. Okay, I had some problem with that icon too. So now the guys are just orbiting me, I'm sorry. I need to think about some mechanics to orchestrate this better. Oh shit, I'm dead. AI is still thinking to answer me better. But if you can see here, the guy engaged the target. This is the main loop when he's engaged with the combat. Combat handle attack. Okay, in range. Here he just looks for the range, and if he can attack, if he can do it, he starts to orbit. Can attack target. This is another key function that we need to deal. Mhm. Okay, there's their thing in the combat component that is a registration of the character. Yeah, here, register attacker. This thing. Current attacker. I need to deal with this and do some kind of timer. Yeah, I would do it, some kind of timer. That's what I'm going to do. Let me see it alone. Put this girl more behind, but not upside this thing here. Okay, when I counterattack, I think I unregister the guy. Let me see, where do I call this unregistered thing? I unregister when I finalize the death. Unregister when I have the end attack. I think I won't unregister it here. Let's just test it, because if I end the attack, the girl just hits me. I don't want that. I think this will be better. Compile, my man. Alright, let's try it. No, she cut my finish with the guy. I didn't like it. And attack internal. I don't want to unregister it. Where is it? Oh man, it's doing here too. Maybe it's calling. Maybe he's calling this one too. Oh man, it is duplicated here. What the fuck? Attack target. Okay, yeah. Maybe this is a so complex structure that I won't just delete it. I will just comment it, because believe me, you can stop working and make things harder than it is. Alright, I think now I won't be attacked, please. Okay, I'm just being attacked by this girl. Oh, thank God, I'm not being attacked anymore by the other ones. I'm just being attacked by... Okay, I think now I know how to deal. I think I know how to deal with it now. Now everybody's orbitating me. Oh, what do I have with that word? It's orbiting, man. Alright, let me choose one to punch, so nobody punches me. That's nice. So if I have one registered NPC, no NPC will be. Oh yeah. So if I attack this another one, the guy simply goes back to orbit. Alright, this system is very circle, you know, it's very rounded. It works, it continues working, everything is looping correctly. Yeah, everything seems to be correct. Everybody orbits me, and I can attack. I was with a very annoying bug that she just stopped attacking her, and that's why I started to refactor very brutal this code, because I couldn't find, man. So I just started to refactoring the code, collapsing functions, and suddenly the bugs started to be little and little until it didn't exist anymore. Alright, so let me see if inside this debug inside this debug I have this debug component. There is an actor component. I have this debug combat component that prints all the variables inside the combat component. But as I have refactored the code, I will place this into the AI and say this is my old this is my debug functions showing old combat component version variables. Now it will ask to update it. It's because it's so much lines, man. Update it to the new structure of the combat component. And this is the main structure of the combat component here. This is the header file. It has, holy hell, man, it has 280. I try to make so less lines, but this system is really a little complex, but I promise I think it won't be higher than this. I guess it's because the base of the combat is very complex, so it needs at least these lines. It's because it's just one actor component in the context of the combat. Let me play a little while the AI thinks. We have some fixes to do in the first hits because she still can hit a little far. And that can happen. In the uppercut I can run away. I'm thinking about making a mechanics that the guys will be disengaging, engaging, you know, because so you won't be able to fight this guy until the end. Somebody will punch your back, and this guy you are punching will be disengaged, and you enter in another one. I'm thinking about a mechanics like this. I think will be cool. Suddenly you stopping to fight this one to attack the another one that hits your back. I'm so glad to not see that bug anymore, because when I used to hit so many NPCs, she just stopped to attack. But now I made a lot of verifications with delegates and montage delegates. Let me show you. Oh, here I bind an attack montage delegate, cache an attack delegate, and a function to make this verification if the montage is playing, to save the current attack montage that is playing and make this dynamic on montage ended. And I think I put it also here in this begin play, yeah, right here. So these things helped me to make these things work. So now I don't have more bugs to solve, I just have implementations to do, because this is the behavior that I wanted. I wanted the guys orbiting me, and now they are doing this. There's a little other stuff that I want to do. So let me take this debug component, update it, because I want to see the real variables. Let me close the Unreal also. Let me put these new variables and open the engine again. Oh, okay. So the debug component is complete with all that variables. Oh man, he put it in Portuguese. I'll change it later. Let's test, let's see what shows on the screen. Okay, it shows the direction when I hit. Death, impulse, strength. Oh, I have something double there. Can be defended. A target distance. Distance attack threshold. She just freezes on that finisher. Only on that finisher I must be doing some double notify. Guys, I play a lot of this game, you know. I test a lot, that's why I like to do things very well detailed, because I think so cool. The uppercut. Alright. Yeah. It's very nice to play. Very cool. I make this girl first to play. I already have done the she for some months ago. She was waiting to be on action. I made a lot of things with AI. This shoe I took from the Fab marketplace, and I changed the texture on the AI retexturizer. Can do a lot of stuff, man. Very cool stuff. So guys, I'm gonna be working on that thing, on the timer, to make the NPCs pacing attacks each other by some time, you know, some little time for each one to attack me. I'll try to build something very cool. Alright, so I'm gonna play the last one here, just for playing. Let me see everybody orbiting me. Nice. So guys, thanks by watching. Soon, tomorrow maybe, I'll be doing another live showing new stuff, new features that I could done. How do I say that? I'm sorry for my bad English. By the way, there will be new features for you to see. Alright? Thank you so much for following me. Thank you for the Patreon guys, everybody that's following me on the Patreon. I get so happy when I see new participants on Patreon. I promise I will be putting this demo for you to play in the little time possible. Okay. So thank you for watching and see you soon.
They got no clue who the fuck they're messing with. Took the only thing I ever gave a shit about. Now I got nothing left to lose. I'm going all